Today I have a Lenovo laptop and this laptop problem is cooling fan problem and it's making noise, and other thing is okay, and operating system and other application is working fine as well as good, and you can hear this. Open the oil screw from the button cover. When I do anything in the open circuit, and definitely at first I will disconnect the laptop battery. Okay, battery is disconnected. This is the cooling fan. Okay, it's making noise, and let's open it. Sometimes you will get a hole from the back side of the fan, and you can use some liquid and thinner or liquid grease, and it will be help us to moving this fan freely. Okay, but this one is not, this one is blocked. Okay, you just reinstall this as it is. I am washing this by thinner, and it will help us to moving freely. Okay, that is absolutely okay, and it's moving very free. Okay, this is complete, and you can see cooling fan is spinning. Here is no noise. Okay, I have used the protection. Dust cannot be enter in this cooling fan. This is smoothly spinning. Okay, no, without any noise. Okay viewers, thanks for watching.